What is up, guys? Patty Rich's Kicks here, back at it for another streetwear review. And as you can tell by the title, this is something recently dropped that I was very, I guess you could say, lucky to get. What's in here is something really cool. There is another package coming in. Today is Thursday, February the 7th, so it should be coming in Friday if I upload this in time. So yeah, this is from the BapeXAdidas collab. I was able to strike out with some of the things. One of the things about this is I actually did order it from Bape.com because the Adidas site I didn't know was dropping later than the actual Bape site. So I had both sites open. The Bape tab was really slow, but I had absolutely no problem getting these, and incredibly happy. You know, I don't play football, but I thought this would be a fun drop to try and go for. I didn't really expect me getting anything. I wanted the jersey, and then the prices went up, and the jersey was $140 originally, and then I saw it was like $200, and I'm like, yeah, no, that's a little, yeah, no, I don't think, that might not be a smart decision. So these, I did get off the Bape site, and, of course, since Bape has shipping and tax, these costed a little bit more than a $75 retail, but here they are. This is one of the first. I've only seen one other review on these, so here they are, the BapeXAdidas football gloves. These are sick. I wanted these really bad. These look incredible. I don't want to take them out, but as you could tell, of course, there's the Bape Shark logo and design, and it looks really cool. They're kind of like the Supreme Nike football gloves, where one part has Supreme and you cross them, kind of like that, and you see, like that, and it's really, really sick and cool. If anything, I would wear these for like winter gloves, because there really is no fit I can make for these. If I got the jersey, that would have been perfect, but I didn't. So I don't really know. I don't know if I really want to take these out yet, because I have no use for them currently. But this is something really cool. I really did want more Bape things in my collection, because I don't really... Everything I have is really expensive or an accessory, and these are definitely right in the middle. These, let's see the receipt in here. Yeah, here's the receipt. So, retail, $75. Shipping and handling, $17.93, which turned out to be $92.93, which is a lot, but, you know, whatever. The other thing, I said I got off Adidas, but yeah, there's the Bape logo. Really, really grippy. They're a lot more grippy than my Supreme gardening gloves or work gloves. It does say a bathing ape on the inside, if you can kind of see that, with the like Adidas 3 stripes kind of going around it. Let's see, as you can see, Eddie Zero 8.0, Bape camouflage. You know, these gloves are actually going for a good amount of money. $100, a little over $100 on StockX, which doesn't seem like a lot, but for a pair of gloves, that's a good amount of money. Just an overall really cool set. Something that, you know, is a really cool kind of display piece. The other thing I got, I don't want to reveal it yet because it's not here, but FedEx was a pain in the ass in getting this. It originally said Tuesday, then it said Wednesday, and now it said today. And, of course, my mom had to take my dog to the vet, and FedEx required a signature, so I was sitting in chemistry, like 5th block, and I saw that, and I was like, fantastic, fantastic. So yeah, we got the BapeXAdidas football gloves. There's not really more that I want to say. I don't want to take them out yet. But yeah, I want to say thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, what did you guys get from this drop, if anything? Or if you didn't get anything, what was your favorite part of it? You know, obviously it's going to be either the shoes, the jersey, or the shark hoodie. But either way, just let me know. How do you feel about these? Do you think they're cool? Do you think they're worth the money? And yeah, that'll be all. I want to say thank you all for watching, and I'm out.